How to use AAMI Life Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AAMI Life Insurance can be a lifeline for your family, but many Australians make simple mistakes that limit its effectiveness. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Owning a policy is only the first step. One common mistake is picking the wrong type of policy. AAMI offers term life insurance for temporary coverage and permanent life insurance that lasts your whole life and builds cash value. Choosing incorrectly can either leave your family underprotected or make your premiums unnecessarily high. Another frequent error is underestimating how much coverage you need. Your life insurance should cover your mortgage, debts, ongoing living expenses, and future costs like children's education. Without accurate calculations, your family could face financial stress if the unexpected happens. Failing to update beneficiaries is a major oversight. Life events like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child mean your policy should reflect who receives the payout. Ignoring this step can cause delays or disputes during claims. Many policyholders also overlook optional add-ons or riders. AAMI provides options like critical illness, disability, or trauma coverage. Adding these can significantly enhance protection and provide financial support when it's needed most. Finally, misunderstanding the details of permanent policies, such as cash value accumulation and loan options, is a common trap. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you understand your premiums, growth potential, and any tax implications. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize the value of AAMI Life Insurance Australia. Choose the right type of coverage, maintain sufficient protection, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and stay informed about your policy. Taking these steps ensures your insurance truly safeguards your family's financial future.